we're doing squishy food and real food and gummy food. I'm Trini.
Alright.
And we are from TriniRoyQui. Yeah.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Welcome back to our video. If you're new to our video, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today we've got squishy and real food and gummy food challenge.
Okay.
Thank you, and do have yourself a beautiful, a wonderful and exciting weekend. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the video.
If you like the one in front of you, if you don't feel like it, then you can switch. Okay? You can swap for the next person's one if you don't feel like it. But you have to choose who goes first. But you can't know who. You have to remove your blindfold. Yeah,
We have this mask on.
yeah, you have they have this mask so that they won't say what.
One eternity later.
Tastes like.
I gonna do this.
Let me see one. One.
One. Yes.
Let's see.
My.
Ooh, so.
I love lemon.
Again? I'm gonna.
You're gonna pick one, okay? No. You're gonna pick.
No. I'm gonna read.
No, this is
That's lemon. That's lemon.